Crazy, Ethiopia. That's what you want for. You know, a little more. The vibes. Oh, look, one, two. Morning view.
Well, this is my analysis of the 86th annual PMP conference. Mark Golding has no message. He has no plans on how to solve crime, how to, reduce poverty.
Yes, my people. One of my people. Big up on yourself. Big up to our next one again. Give thanks for life, you know? Yeah, man. And today we are talking about Portije. Yeah? And Mr. Vegas. Yeah, man. Mr. Vegas talk about the conference. We're going. Yeah? And you know, say, he take out him belt. And him beat a lot of people. Yeah, man. So, we are going to look upon him and see where him have deal with and where him say. He touch some valuable points. But enough people don't know, say. And I wonder if he have an agenda behind it. But, worry on yourself, my people. Now watch and make a judge for yourself. Yeah, man. Because he touch some valuable points. Yeah, man. Yeah. Look up on yourself, my people. Always.
Crazy, Ethiopia. You see me? That's what you want for. I'll show you all one. Right. Look at the eye. Yeah, you know, a little more. The vibes, how it looking. Morning view, crazy.
Yes, man. That's the life you live, you know. The life you live, YouTube family. Yeah, man. Go to jail, live in it. Yeah? But as we say, Mr. Vegas, you more really come to talk about. You know, say man come out with the broadest belt without no smile on him face in a real life. Yeah? And him beat PNP them right down to ground. Yeah? And talk a lot of things. Yeah, man. I don't know if he have an agenda, but I don't know. But of him opinion, me have mine, another man have for them. And if a man do what he want, do and vote for him and vote for. So, you see where me there. Alright. Him come out and him talk about this, him talk about Curry, him talk about Vibes Cartel, him talk about Anjo. Wellness have a plan. Yeah? And Mark Gold don't have one. Yes. That him really said. That him really mean. Yeah, man. So, you go look and see. You can be right. You can be wrong. In your view. My view. No swim me there. Be up on yourself. Always. Watch it pray.
Ear up. Well, this is my analysis of the 86th annual PMP conference. Yeah? Now, of course, I already told you that Mark Golding has no message. He has no plans on, how to move the country forward economically, how to solve crime, how to, reduce poverty. Whatever it is that they're talking about, he has no plans on how to do it. Yeah? Today, it was a bunch of, a whole lot of shenanigans. You understand? They brought in Vibes Cartel as a props. They Isat Buchanan, Richard Curry, the separatists, and his allies. All of these things that, Mark Golding is doing, is just showing desperation. Just straight up desperation. Yeah? Using Vibes Cartel to score political points, I think that is, totally desperation. Zane. But of course, Isat Buchanan is a PMP, so I'm not surprised that they will, use Vybz Kartel in this regard. But please be reminded that it was Peter Bunting who pointed fingers at Vybz Kartel as one of the elements that is destroying the society, in a violent manner. See? Also Mark Golding, he spoke about statutory declaration, he spoke about illicit 6, he said there may be illicit 12 by the time it is tabled, the report is tabled. There was not enough substance. The PMP, if you're not in denial, you will agree with me. What did Mark Golding speak about that you left the conference or that you listened to and say, what, yes, this man gave me something that I must show up at the poll. Yeah, there was nothing there. There was nothing there. He's speaking about things. He's saying he's going to put things in place that are already in place. Yeah, he's going to implement things that are already in place. You understand me? I said he's talking about path program and all those stuff. Them things are already in place. What he's going to do? Stop them. What he's going to do? Get rid of them and restart them. Yeah.
Yes, my people. So Vegas, no joke with this thing. I'm serious. Yeah, man. Take it serious, very, very serious. I stand up with him Jamaica. Yeah, man. But, so I go. People have a right to do what they want to do. Yeah, man. But, say you don't have to talk your opinion. Talk your opinion. But to come back to square one. When I want to do, at the end of the day, I do. Yeah, man. And when it comes to the politics thing, say, it's a competition of who can do it best. Yeah, man. So when him talk about part program, maybe him say him can do it better, he can come with more money. When him talk about house, maybe him say him can come better. Yeah, man. When him bring in Vybz Kartel, say it's a competition thing in politics. So when you check it out, you see Andrew carrying alkaline. You gotta say, because it's a whole competition thing. Yeah, man. Further than the dancehall scene. Yes. Pick up yourself. And if you know these things, politics, it's kind of tricky. So, always sleep with one hand and eye open. Yeah, man. I will drop asleep in this thing. Alright. Until you really see benefit. Yeah, man. And a long time now wait on no see it yet. So I really want it. Big up on yourself. One out, one love, all the time.
Yeah, so there was nothing there. There was nothing there. You're talking about crime and violence. Come, Mark Golding, look in your circle. Look around you and you will see that you are not the person to come out here and teach and tell us anything about solving crime. You understand? Crime and violence? Yeah, you're serious? Yo, you're not serious, brethren. You're not serious on solving crime, brethren. You understand what I say? So, as it is, Mark Golding has no message. I wish there was something for me to dissect. I wish there was something for me to come to you and say, you know what? He said this and I'm challenging it. Everything that he said is things that he already said on the campaign trail. There was nothing new. There was nothing new. He's talking about giving people land and low income houses. What kind of houses? What kind of houses is going to be? Board houses? The Prime Minister is giving away concrete houses. Prime Minister is giving away contemporary houses. You understand what I say? So, what is he saying this time? Affordable homes? That is what the Jamaica Labour Party is doing right now. Allowing people, are giving the people the opportunity to own homes. You see? So, I don't hear nothing that came out of this man's mouth today. It's just a bag of counting style, trying to talk in patois, with his hybrid patois. There's nothing there. There was nothing there. And if you tell me that there was something there, at least you can point it out in the comment section and we'll make you talk on it. But I guarantee you, PMP supporters, you left here disappointed. You left here disappointed. The only thing you left there with is Vybz Kartel presence. If Vybz Kartel should have held the microphone and gone to tune. You understand me? I say, yeah, Richard Curry should have come blow their bang. You see? Yeah, that is what should have get. Should have get some musician up in there and just keep a concert. That would be a nice concert for the PMP supporters. Should have just use the opportunity to raise some funds for the back to school PMP supporters them. You see me? I say, so You know, there was nothing there. Mark Golden, you know, this big conference, you had the opportunity to really outline what you're going to do to move the country forward. And there was nothing. There was nothing. And anybody think otherwise, they are basically living in a different universe from where I'm living. You understand me? I say, anybody think otherwise, you're delusional. There was nothing of substance. You understand? L.A. Lewis' presence will be more remembered than Mark Golden's speech. L.A. Lewis' presence was more significant than Mark Golden's speech. Yeah? So between L.A. Lewis Vibes Cartel, Richard Curry, the separatist, and one or two other people, you know, they totally took away the life out of the crowd. When by Peter Phillips tried to bring life to the crowd, no one even gave an applause. You understand me? I said, it was ridiculous. It was crazy. This was not a PMP conference to speak about how to move the country forward economically, how to solve crime, how to how to solve poverty and all of them things there. There was nothing of substance. You know what I remember about